Tristan, where's your head? Good job. Where's your ear? Oh, good job. What about your nose? Close. Where's your nose? You got your eye. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? That's your finger. There's your nose. Okay, show me where your nose is. What's your head? Head? Good job. What's that? That's your hair. Yeah, that's your hair. Good job. Where's your mouth? Where's your mouth? That's you. Where's your mouth? Where's your teeth? Good job. Good boy. Mm-hmm.